Okay guys, I just wanted to show you a couple things. I have been looking all over the internet for literally just a few minute video about how to change the windshield wipers on a Ferrari. Especially, I have a 2010 Ferrari 458 Italia, but I think this is such an easy fix, but there's literally no videos, no tutorials on how to change your windshield wipers. It's super cheap, super easy, so let's do it. So the original wipers on these Ferrari 458s, you'll notice there's a couple different styles with windshield wipers on cars. This particular one has something called a J hook you'll see in there. Hopefully that's easy to see, but I took this off. You see that little hook comes and hooks right around this little bar. So hopefully you can see that. So when you take it off for the first time, you'll lift this piece up and then push this down and then lift it out. You kind of got to wiggle it, and it's kind of tough to get off, especially if it's been there, but you'll see the rubber bonding here had failed and it was leaving streaks. So I don't drive this a lot in the rain, but I do drive it to work from time to time. So it rains in Cincinnati. So I just wanted to show you how to get this off and how to replace this. So I looked online on Amazon. I was able to get a couple of these Rain-X windshield wipers. They were 5 stars, super high rated for water repellency. These are the Rain-X Latitudes, but they're only $35 on Amazon. They're cheap. So with the Ferraris, especially this 458 Italia, works for the Spider also, but you need they're 2 different sizes. This one here is a 26 inch, so you need to get that. And then the little one over there is a 20 inch. So they'll go like that. But and on Amazon, by the way, it said that these wipers would not fit my 2010 Ferrari 458 Italia, but they do. And I'm going to show you how in a minute. Sometimes Amazon, maybe for these exotics, don't, have a lot of confidence because it's just not many people put these wipers on these kind of cars, but these are the best wipers you can buy. They're super reliable, and look at the difference. Here is the factory one where the rubber is broken off, but look at the bow with these Rain-X windshield wipers. That's why they have such a better suction to the glass. I highly recommend it. And these will fit a lot of other cars. They've got, this is kind of like a universal. It'll fit different. It doesn't have to be a J hook. It's got different adapters in here, so it's really cool. So once you get this off, and the little one's going to be the same way, but for this Rain-X, you literally take your thumb or a finger. They're hard to get off at first, but you just pop this top off, and it's okay. This bends here, but just gently lean over. I definitely recommend putting a little towel on there just to give it some protection from the glass from the J hook, but you'll see it will fit right in there. It'll just slide right in there. Come on, you gotta wiggle it, but it's not done yet. You gotta keep pushing, and you'll hear it really click. And if you want to get it off, here's the button you press to release it, but you just slide it on and get it all the way till it clicks. Then you push this down, and there's, not here, but over a top, it clicks in. And literally that's it. You got a good suction windshield wiper. The little one is exactly the same, but that's how you put this on. It looks fine. You can hardly tell a difference from some distance. It looks totally fine. But I highly recommend these windshield wipers. They do a great job. They'll last a really long time. They've got a better suction to the glass. And that's kind of it. Leave any questions you have in the comments, and have a great rest of your day.